Imagine your network is a house. Most break-ins aren't a smashed window, they're a quiet door left unlocked. Today, I'm showing you how to spot the quiet stuff, indicators of malicious activity. Hook, if you catch these red flags early, you turn a disaster into a hiccup. Red flag 1. Login weirdness. Think impossible travel. A user logs in from New York and 5 minutes later from Singapore. Tons of failed logins, then one success. MFA prompts spamming someone at 2 a.m. That's MFA fatigue. Fix. Enforce MFA. Fix. Monitor impossible travel. Fix. Throttle login attempts. Red flag 2. Privilege jumps. A regular user suddenly becomes a domain admin, or gets added to a sensitive group. New admin accounts popping up after hours. Fix. Alert. On role changes. Fix. Require approvals. Fix. Review daily. Red flag 3. Endpoint oddities. Unknown processes with random names, unsigned binaries, or a new service set to auto-start. Scheduled tasks you don't recognize. PowerShell launching with long encoded commands. Fix. Block unsigned scripts. Fix. Log PowerShell. Fix. Baseline known good processes. Red flag 4. Network beacons. Tiny regular outbound connections every 60 seconds to weird domains. Traffic at 3 a.m. to countries you never do business with. DNS tunneling. Massive TXT queries or super long domain names. Fix. Alert on periodic beaconing. Fix. Egress filter by country and protocol. Fix. Inspect DNS patterns. Red flag 5. Data exfiltration patterns. Sudden spikes to cloud storage you don't use, or large encrypted uploads outside normal hours. Sensitive file shares accessed by a user who never touched them before. Fix. DLP rules. Fix. Rate limits. Fix. Need to know access. Red flag 6. Email and identity traps. SPF failures, DKIM failures, DMARC failures, lookalike domains like paypai.com with an uppercase I. OAuth consent prompts asking for mailbox read across the org. Fix. Strict DMARC. Fix. Block risky OAuth apps. Fix. Train users to report. Red flag 7. Lateral movement. SMB brute force inside the network. RDP brute force. WMI remoting from a random workstation, or pass the hash patterns. Fix. Disable legacy protocols. Fix. Restrict RDP. Fix. Segment your network. How to analyze fast. Establish a baseline. What normal looks like for logins, traffic, and file access. Correlate across sources. Mutsayim, EDR, firewall, identity logs. One weird thing is noise. 3 connected things is a story. Use a tight time window, so 15 minutes before and after the first alert to see the blast radius. Pivot by indicator. Hash, domain, IP, user, process name. If you confirm compromise, 1. Isolate the host. Pull from network. Don't power off yet. 1. Capture volatile data. Processes, connections, memory. 1. Block indicators at the firewall and DNS. 1. Reset creds and revoke tokens.